everyone. So I feel like I haven't done a super in-depth tutorial in a while, so I want to share with you my current wavy hair routine that makes me go from this to this. All right, let's get to it. So I already parted my hair in the middle. I'm gonna start on this side first. So I'm gonna start with this Living Proof Root Lifting Spray. This is so good, and it's been a favorite ever since I started trying it. So I'm gonna spray on those roots, and then I'll spray all over the hair as well. Now I'm gonna go with this Redken All Soft Mega Curls leave-in, and I'm gonna use about this much. Honestly, I've kind of used less than that, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to link the products I use in this video, but if not, in the link in my bio, you can find all my favorite products, including these products in this video. Next, I'm gonna go with the curl cream. This is the Way Curl Cream. I'm using about this much. And just spread it all over the midst to ends. Now that the hair is fully detangled and with product, I'm just gonna brush it out with the Denman brush. Do not brush out your hair if it's not detangled with the Denman brush, because you are probably gonna lose some of your hair if you do that. But if it's fully detangled, the Denman brush is supposed to just slide through. Okay, now we're gonna create the curl clumps. So around the height of my ear, I'm gonna try to go all the way back, and that's gonna be the first section. So I'll brush it out again, and then I'll place the brush right here, twist, wrap the hair around the Denman brush, and then start curling away from my face. And then eventually, as I go down, the brush will like naturally leave the brush. So now we're gonna do the next section around this height, all the way back. Same thing here. You put it on top of the brush, wrapped it around the brush, slide it down, and you curl away from your face. Every single curl I do is away from my face. And that's it. Next is gonna be the top of my head. Here I split kind of like the bangs, and then the rest of the hair. And again, I'll brush it out. It is super easy, this part of my routine, like applying the products, creating all the curl clumps. It takes me about 10 minutes. It's really not that complicated. I know it looks complicated, but it's really not, I promise you. Once you get the hang of it, once you learn how to use your Denman brush, it's really easy. And I think for the result, it's worth it. All right, now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Now that both sides are done, I could go in with the gel and scrunch it in, but I'm not gonna do that just because I usually don't do that. I don't have anything against gels. I love gels, but I usually just don't use them. So that's why I'm just gonna keep it I'm just gonna keep this routine how I usually do it, so you can see my everyday routine. Also, this is something I don't do, but I just feel like there's so much excess of product and water that I'm just gonna scrunch it in a little bit with the microfiber towel. So I diffuse for about 5 minutes and then I let it air dry for about an hour. So the first 2-ish minutes I am gonna be diffusing upside down, and then the rest I'm gonna be diffusing like regular. So let's get started.
One hour later.
I wasn't recording, no, but anyways, you didn't miss anything. I was just crunching it out. Now I am going to use this comb and gently I'm gonna brush it out or comb it out. So many people comment on my videos like, no, don't do that, don't brush it out. But this is seriously my favorite part of the entire routine. Brushing it out, combing it out. Just look at this. This is so satisfying. Okay, now time for some hair oil. Just literally 1 tiny drop of oil. Of that oil, gissu is more than enough if you have fine hair like me. So I'm just gonna apply it to my ends, a little bit on my mitts. Stunning already, stunning. Next step is to apply the famous pomade. You dissolve it on your hands first, and then you just glide it through your hair. It adds shine, it helps with frizz. Such a game changer product, and it is so affordable. I think I applied too much on this side actually, but we'll see. We'll see, because we're not done yet. I like to brush it out again. And the last final step is some hairspray. So the trick is, do not touch your hair with your hands because you have static in your hands, so you have to use something else. So you can just use the same bottle. But this part I do use my hands, not gonna lie. But it's different, I feel like, you know? I love this hairspray because it also adds shine. And then again, we're gonna comb it out because I love it. I love this look. It is so beautiful, barely any frizz, so shiny, really nicely defined. Like, I'm really happy and hope you guys enjoyed too. Hope it was helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or you wanna share anything else with me. All right, until the next one, see you, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.